morning, Falcons, and welcome to the Early Bird Show. Today is Wednesday, December 14th, 2022.
Please stand for the pledges to the flags. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. Honor the Texas flag. I pledge allegiance to the Texas, one state, under God, one and indivisible.
Please join us for a moment of silence.
Thank you, and please have a seat.
Now for today's weather. Today in Carrollton, it will be a 50% chance of rain with a high of 57 degrees and a low of 39 degrees.
Wow, it might rain and it's cold. So. Today's lunch options are meatball and mac and cheese, egg and biscuit, or grilled cheese sandwich.
Would you rather 10 hours of Christmas shopping or 10 hours of Christmas movies?
Christmas movies.
I can just binge watch all the Home Alone movies.
Would you rather not celebrate the holidays this year or not celebrate your birthday this year?
Not celebrate my birthday because there's much more holidays than my birthday, and I also have a half birthday. Would you rather be in a scene from Home Alone or Elf?
Home Alone, because I like the homemade zip line.
Yeah.
Would you rather be allowed to only eat fruitcake for 2 days or be allowed to only eat candy canes for 2 days?
Candy canes.
Yeah.
I just like candy canes better. Today in history, 1902, the first Pacific Ocean telegraph cable is laid from San Francisco to Honolulu.
Honolulu's in Hawaii.
Weird but true. Marshmallows were originally made from roots of a plant called marshmallows.
Wow. Here's Everett for So Cute I Can't.
A recent deep-sea expedition of Australia's Cocos Islands has revealed dozens of wild, wiggly, and wonderful sea creatures never seen to science. Wonderful could also be terrifying, if not for the fact that most of them are very small and live in such deep water that there's no possibility of our toes ever being bitten. This expedition marked the first ever undersea mapping of the floor around the Cocos Islands Seamounts Marine Park.
Wow. Bet you didn't know, a camel doesn't sweat until its body temperature reaches 106 Fahrenheit.
Wow. That's very
That's a lot of thermometers that are going to be broken.
Now for the joke of the day. Hey Evan, who's Santa's favorite singer?
I don't know. Who?
Elvis Presley.
I get it. That's all for today. Let's say our motto together.
Doing your best is the key to success. I choose excellence.
I'm Evan.
And I'm Ella.
That's Larry and that's Fiona. Until next time, fly high, Falcons.